Slatty, Wish, Cole. Hey man, we got Key Glock Ambition for Cash. Before we get in there, bit, make sure you subscribe right now. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna do too much talking, legit. Get into it. Say young nigga, yeah, that me. What the hell is you looking at? Mustache, nigga. Stank ass. Smell like diarrhea, boy. Fuck you looking at, nigga.
Sign right there, please.
That boy getting that loan. That boy getting that QT money.
Take it, fuck these niggas up. Yeah.
It has been a pleasure.
Peace out.
Hey. They just like some Payday. Like, y'all know Payday, the video game? Like that heist shit where they pull up a robber bank. That's what they just like, goddamn. They doing the GTA heist, goddamn.
Yeah, bitch, I'm in my bag. Yeah, bad bitch. I just made a bag. Yeah, bad bitch. I just made a bag. Yeah, bag of big bag. Yeah, nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash. Yeah, I got a real ambition for this cash. Yeah, 13 years old with a shoebox stash. Yeah, I'm always up to something, never sitting on my ass.
Who the hell snapping on that clarinet motherfucker? Hey, y'all niggas snapping on the clarinet, goddamn. Yeah, that motherfucker.
Nigga, big giz, I got my skinny sag. Nigga, I told that Gizak with a passion. Nigga, I told that Gizak with a passion. And I took a whole lot of shit cause I can bag it. Yes, up, bitch, my heart cold. My last name Montclair. My pockets fat swole. No, I don't eat pearls. Ain't trapping, ain't dead.
Get down, bitch. Give me the money.
Color purple soda. Ballin' hard just like the beard. Yeah, and Larry Bird, I'm shooting shit. I know you heard. 10 toes never in no word. Nigga, I caught shots.
GTA heist, goddamn. Merryweather heist. One of them goddamn heists where they robbed the bank. Like, the one where Michael and all them niggas robbed the bank. That's like, well, damn, with the Payday mask. You know what I'm saying? Payday 2 got down.
Money talking, what's the word? What's up? Hey, I pray but don't go to church. Don't ask me to spit a verse. Can't trust no hoe, that's devil word. Yeah, I know the devil word. And I know that nobody's perfect. Still can't trust a bitch for certain. For real though. Yeah, bitch, I'm in my bag, bad bitch, I just made a bag, bad bitch, I just made a bag, bag of big bag, yeah, nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash, I got a real ambition for this cash, 13 years old with a shoebox stash, I'm always up to something, never sitting on my ass, yeah, nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash, I got a real ambition for this cash. 13 years old with a shoebox stash. I'm always up to something, never sitting on my ass. Nigga.
They done blew the goddamn car up. Bad boys. Look like bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I'm worrying, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What we gonna do? Looking at. Anyways, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You did. Fuck you looking at, nigga?